Hello, welcome back. So, again we are continuing the Python lab session. In this lab session, we will talk about the ninth program. Ninth program is write a program to insert a number in a sorted array. First, let's try to understand sorted array. I think as already given in the problem statement itself, sorted array. That means whenever you are sending an array as an input, the input must be in a sorted way. So, if not an issue, you can just still you can if it is not in a sorted way, then before insert an element, we must sort by implementing the code. So, one option is first your input itself is a sorted input, or else if it is not in a sorted way, so that you make sure whether in a code level, just anything input you give, the first you sort it, and then that is the input for your next process. So, what is that next task? Insert. So, we need to insert one element into the given array, because I have 1 to 10 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, 5 I want to insert in between this. So, that is the reason if you do not have the sorted way, then where exactly I want to insert. So, always it will just check the previous value, next value, if it is less than or greater than. So, automatically it will you can easily go and insert. If not, if it is not sorted, then sorted, then you have to specify, that is also possible. Then you have to specify the position, in which position I want to insert, irrespective of the whether it is a sorted or unsorted. But since in the problem statement they have mentioned sorted array. So, that means all the elements must be sorted, and appropriately you need to go and insert the element into the array. So, that is about the program is. It is very simple program. So, first array, a list of integer, that is sorted in an ascending order. You need to sort the elements. See, the input itself, array ARR, is a list of integers, that is a sorted. In which way you need to sort? Either you need to we need to sort in both the ways, right? Either ascending or descending, but here the requirement is ascending order. And num, which number you want to go and insert into the array. So, that is the second parameter, the number to be inserted into the array. So, how do you do this process? The program iterates through the array. First, the program, what happens? It will start from 0, it will start iterating to find the correct position, where exactly I want to insert this particular number in a given array. Correct position where number should be inserted to maintain the sorted order. Once the correct position is found, then we use the function called insert method to add the number into that position. So, the output, once you insert the element into the array, the output will be the final after insertion, whatever the array you get, that is your output. See, I think first we will see the example. See, one array is what? Sorted array 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, which one you want to insert? I want to insert the number 6. So, what happens? The number, first it will check 1. So, then again it will check to the 3. No, again it is a greater, right? Again it will go to the 5. Still 6 is greater. Next element is 7. No, 6 is not greater than 7. So, but 6 is greater than 5, but not 7. So, it will insert here. So, between 5 and 7. So, now the resulting array after the insertion 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. So, even you can modify the array and you can insert. This is how this sorted array works, or the insertion into the sorted array. So, we will try to discuss this program. Just it is a method name, insert underscore in underscore sorted array. You can just give your own, because these are all the identifiers. It is like you can give your own name, but I have just given this as a name for this function name. As I mentioned, it requires two parameters. One is array, sorted array. Another one is the number which you want to insert into the array. Find the correct position to insert the new number. You need to find the correct position to insert the number. First, I want to initialize I value equal to 0, while I need to, because I need to iterate entire list of array elements, right. I value is less than length of array. Here we are talking about the indexes only. I value 0, length of array, assume in this example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How many? That is a 5. length of array is, yes, it's less than that. And array of I, now what is the array of I? Array of 0 is what? Because I value is 0, 0, array of 0 is what? 1, 1 less than, what is the, which element you want to insert? I want to insert 6. Array of y is 0 is 1 less than 6, yes. Now you increment the I value, I becomes 1, 1 is again less than, that is a 5, true. And array of 1 is what? 3, 3 is less than number, yes, again I value increment, I value becomes 2, 2 less than 5, true. And array of 2 is what? 5, 5 less than 6, yes, again I value increment, I value is what? It becomes 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 is less than 5, yes, true. And array of 3 is what? 6, 6 less than 6, no, then it will just 6 less than 7, yes, then immediately see this what after 5, yes, 7 we got, right. 6, array of 3 is what? 7, 7 is less than 6, no, it falls, then immediately it will go here array dot insert. We are trying to insert, which one you want to insert? I value is what? The value is, I want to insert I position, which position? Third position, which value? 6, you go and insert and return the after the array, the resultant array. So that is a return array. So we will get insert in sorted of array, sorted array, and number to insert. The result will be stored here, and finally we are printing here. This is what after the insertion you will get 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 9. The initial array is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, but after inserting the 6 you will get 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is the insertion of the element into the sorted array. This is about the 9th program in your lab, Python lab.